I'm Mattei from matteirealty.ca. So you've got your new home, you move in, and you can't figure out how to wash your clothes. You can't figure out how to start the dishwasher or what the different cycles mean, or some of the other appliances around the home. If the seller didn't leave you the manuals, rest assured you can probably find them. So here's how. You open the door of the appliance and you'll find a little sticker like these ones that has the serial number and also the model number. Now, the model number is significant because you'll need that to get specific information online. The make is easy. It's usually on the front of the appliance, hisense, maytag, bosch, you name it. So with the make and the model number, just type that into the address bar of a YouTube or Google search. You'll find an extraordinary amount of manuals for products are available online that can also help you find parts, because sometimes they'll break down the machine in constituent parts. If you need them, very helpful. And in YouTube, you get a ton of tutorials how to fix common problems, how to use certain cycles, tips and tricks and that kind of thing. So if you've moved in and you can't figure out how to turn on or off your dishwasher or what cycle does what, relax, rest assured the internet is your friend. Take a look by using the make and model number and use either YouTube or the manuals in PDF format to help you. I'm Mattei with this friendly little tip. This is another installment of Wednesday Wisdom. Have an excellent day.